What is that, Loch? Are you ready? That's your squirt gun? All right, let's see how it goes. Oh, your Nerf gun. Okay.
Preschool and kids pretend, play, toy learning videos.
You can get it. Try again. Come on, squirt gun. Watch out, Lachlan. Stay out of her way. Lachlan, someone's walking behind you. There you go. You did it. You carried it all the way home. All right, so this is the instructions. No firing at mom at all. No firing at mom ever. That is a rule. Okay, are you ready to come get some bullets? You got your bullet thing?
Yep. Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Yep.
All right, let's see how it goes.
Run it in the water.
Okay, you gonna shoot another one in the water?
Yeah.
Now go. Ooh. Where are you gonna stack them up at? Down there? And then you're gonna shoot it down, right? How come no bullets are coming out? Did we not put, maybe the next one, try again. All right, let mom try it.
It went. It went.
You think it's in safe mode? Well, I think, hold on, is it in safe mode?
No, but
You did it! You did it! All right, that's good. Did that hurt?
Ow!
No.
Ow!
That's okay. It didn't hurt that much, but it scared me a lot. Goodness.
We lost 2 lives.
We lost 2 lives now?
And 1 life wouldn't be died.
No! I got my bubble gum gun. I am ready. Scary! I lose 1 life. You got the giant gun I call a super soaker. Whoa.
Ninja top.
Ninja stop. Was that what you said? Ninja stop? Whoa! Look at those ninja jumps. You can? Oh, okay, too wet. Mama, too wet. Ah! Ninja tornado! Whoa, look at that. Whoa, that was a... That's okay? You're okay?
I love it to do that.
You love getting hit by it?
Where's that boy? Hey! Oh no!
Oh no! Oh no!
Preschool and Kids Pretend Play Toy Learning videos.